Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today's video, a shaving cream. We just got this in stock. Dreadnought shaving cream comes from the UK, and I was checking out the label. It's got some pretty interesting things on the label. First thing I noticed, it says, I'm made from 100% aluminum. Recycle me so I can be a fighter jet. That's pretty cool. Here it says, upgrade your shave with our traditional barbershop shaving cream. This vegan-friendly shaving cream has been specially designed to protect and rehydrate men's skin during and after a traditional wet shave. So good for safety razors or straight razors, or cartridge too for that matter. It can be whipped into a rich lather in seconds and used to soften stubborn stubble. Say that 3 times real fast. While lifting and lubricating hairs for a super smooth shave experience. Directions for use. Place a dollop of our shaving cream into a shaving bowl with a little warm water. Using a shaving brush to whip our cream into a rich and aerated lather. With your brush, apply your lather in small circular motions to raise and coat hairs. So let's give it a try. Vegan formula for traditional wet shaving. We're all about that. Remove the cap. Not much of a scent. Doesn't have any essential oils probably because it's vegan and it's going to be non-irritating to the skin. I'm going to take my mini scoop spoon right here. Just scoop out a little bit like a sliver and put it down in the bottom of the bowl. Just drop it down in there like so. I'll use the Simpsons Trafalgar T3 shaving brush. Sovereign synthetic fiber, handmade. That's what it says right there. And then here it says Alexander Simpson's, established 1919. Synthetic, nice soft bristles, feels really good on the skin. If you're a vegan, also a great brush for you. Under the hot water, soak it, shake out the bulk of the moisture, and let's go right in the bowl, see if we can mix a lather. Just take those tips and press them down into the lather spot at the bottom. See if we can create some lather. A little bit of hot water. Add your water sparingly as you go along. You don't want to drown out the lather. But just keep swirling the tips down into the lather spot, and that friction will bring up shaving cream around the sides. Scoop it back down in and keep swirling. Gets thicker, coming up around the edges like so. Let's add a little bit more water and right back down into that lather spot. As I said, you don't want to drown out your lather, so you will add it sparingly back into the mix. There you go. Plenty of lather right there, even more left in the bowl. Let's see what it feels like. We'll squeeze some out. Nice and thick. Look at that. Slippery. Hangs on. Very slick. Very nice. It even likes my shirt. Maybe my shirt likes it. There you go. Of course you'd use your brush to apply it, but I'm just playing around here. All right, let me rinse my fingers. There you go, how to lather your Dreadnought shaving cream, vegan formula, with the cool jar and the cool logo. Don't see many sweet logos like that one. If you want to pick up any of these items, the shaving cream, the bowl, brush, anything, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there, or go to ShaveNation.com, enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. What? Clear the runways. Like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 500 videos, shaving, and more. I appreciate that. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.